guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification to be the first one to know when I upload a video. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this natural 1B hair color to a burgundy red. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so this is a custom frontal wig that I made a few months ago, and it's still in very good shape. There's no balding or wear and tear in the lace, and the stitching is still in very good tact. I revamped the wig by getting rid of the extra glue that was on the lace. And yeah, let's get started on the materials that you would need. Okay, so you would need a volume 20 developer, BW2 bleaching powder, your colors. I got Adore in color 70 and 71, your container where you be mixing, and your mixing brush. So as you guys can see right here, I'm just pouring the entire BW2 bleaching powder into the container, and then I'm going to be using my volume 20 developer and pouring it in the container as well. I'm not giving exact measurements because I'm eyeballing everything, but yeah. And afterwards, I'm just using my mixing brush and mixing everything in a consistent paste, and then it should be looking like this, where it's able to drip off the brush. So as you can see what I'm doing right here, this is very self-explanatory. I'm just using the mixture and applying it all over the hair. Now while you're doing this process, you want to make sure you're getting every strand of the hair, because if you don't, the hair will not catch the color. So this is optional. I did this off camera. I use my powder brush to help me get the bleaching mix into every strand of the hair, but if you don't have a powder brush, you can always use a regular hairbrush. Okay, so when you're finished, you're going to use your foil paper and wrap the hair in the foil. And I left this in for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So while this is sitting, you could go ahead and set your water to boil. So this is how the hair color came out. Some parts look lighter than the other, but that's fine. I left the roots darker on purpose because I'm going for dark roots with this hair color. And yeah. So right here, I'm just pouring out the colors into the boiling hot water. I ended up using 2 bottles, which was the 71 and the 70 hair color. So I forgot to do one thing before dipping the hair in this hair color, which was adding my Got2b glue spray all over the lace and letting it dry. So a little bit of the color got onto the lace. So if you end up trying this method, I suggest you to use the Got2b glue spray all over the lace so the lace wouldn't be red. Now if it got on the lace, that's okay, because I could always show you guys how I get the color off the lace. But instead of doing that, I just use my makeup and just cover the lace, because both ways work the same. So yeah, this is how the color came out, and looking very pretty. So the roots didn't come out how I wanted to be, so I used my Kiss Darkest Brown to darken the roots. And yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay, y'all, don't come for my mannequin head because I know it looks terrible and I'm well overdue for a new one, but this is what I'm working with for right now. But as you guys could see, I'm just taking my time applying this color because if I don't and I'm rushing it, it can stain the lace. So that's a whole nother process I don't want to do. So yeah, I'm just taking my time and doing that. And this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed watching, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, comment down below some video suggestions you guys would like to see because during quarantine, what am I really doing? So might as well make videos for y'all, okay? And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.